before we decide to save the planet, we pause for a moment of silence and experience reality as reality is. We think ordinarily of the present as an infinitesimal point at which the future changes into the past. We don't realize that the past is caused by the present. The present is the only real time. Why do you listen to music? As you see, music is peculiar in that it is a marvelous pattern of sounds that doesn't mean anything. But you see, if you believe it hard enough, you'll feel it. In music, we come into the present, the eternal now, in which past and future drop away. And one does it not to be good for you, but just because you dig it. There's not very much point in merely talking about this. You can understand it only by doing it.